Hello, everyone. For this project, I created an agentic application that transcribes audio from YouTube links or user local audio files, then translates and summarizes the content using the one of the models from Triton AI. The main technology that I used for this project is Triton AI for the agent and the speech to text model, OpenAI Whisper AI model, and I also used YouTube DLP to download the audio from YouTube. And in case if that doesn't work, for as a fallback, I also used YouTube Transcript API. I also used Flask for web framework, and lastly, I used Report Lab for PDF generation. Before going to the demo, I'll briefly explain my code a bit. So, first for the backend, inside the backend folder, there's the tools folder. There's 5 tools that I created, and at the agent.py, you can see what kind of model I used and briefly explain my tools. The first tool is called Extract YouTube Audio, where it downloads the audio from the YouTube URL and it returns the local MP3 file. Next tool is the fallback tool for the Extract YouTube Audio tool. It's called Get Captions. Basically what it does is fetches caption directly from the YouTube video using the YouTube Transcript API. The next tool is Extract Local Audio. This is for the user local audio files, not the YouTube links. So this is not for YouTube links. It's just for the user input audio files. Next is the transcribe audio tool. It uses the OpenAI Whisper AI model and it receives the audio file and generates the text. Lastly is the generate output file tool. It creates the text files such as like PDF, Markdown, or plain text if the user wants the transcript as some sort of file. Next, I created a basic front end, kind of like a LLM is kind of like an ChatGPT Claude, somewhat kind of design. I used Flask and JavaScript, HTML mainly for this project. And for the environment, you need to have the Triton AI API key first, and you need to have the OpenAI API key for the Whisper model. And basically, for the requirements, here's the requirements you need to download for my project to run. I would recommend you guys creating a virtual environment and downloading all of the requirements inside there. I mean, you can still download that in local, but it's whatever how you guys want. And after that, you can run Python app.py and run the project. My web UI, so I'll say hi. It says, hello, how can I help you today? Blah, blah, blah. I'll say, I want a transcript from this YouTube link. And you have to wait quite a bit, less than a minute usually. It will take like maybe 30 seconds. Yeah, and you can see that here's the transcript, and it's in Chinese. Um, I'm not a Chinese expert, but I believe that it got the right transcript. And I will say, can you translate in this into English? And the agent will use the tool that uses the Open AI Whisper model, and you can see that it translated the song. Now I will say I want to download the PDF. Can you generate a PDF file? Here the PDF has been generated, and you can download it, or you can go to the output folder here, and there's the generated transcript. So you guys can check it in two ways. You guys also can input your local files or try other languages. And yeah, that is basically the demo of my video. Thank you for watching.